This weekend, many of the bars around Bardstown Road looked like they would on any other Saturday night. Packed with people, many of them not wearing masks or social distancing. Dr. Deborah Birx says that is part of a pattern in a new movement of coronavirus cases.
Young people are often infected first, particularly in the under 30 age group. They go on to infect unknowingly, most of them are asymptomatic. They go on to infect their parents, who then infect the grandparents, who often have significant comorbidities.
Dr. Birx said Kentucky is among a group of states of concern nationally because of a growing number of cases and a rising test positivity rate. Now, one of her recommendations to counter that is to close the bars here, and Governor Beshear hinted that might be coming on Monday.
I tell you what, I just saw a picture of a couple bars last night in Lexington that have hundreds of people in them, and none of them are wearing masks. Now, that's a problem, right? And that's going to require us to take some steps that we don't want to take, but, you know, we're all living for each other right now.
Dr. Birx's other major recommendation was face masks for 100% of people in any indoor public space. Kentucky has a mask mandate that went into effect July 10th. Governor Beshear says Kentucky's numbers would look more like other hard-hit states without it.
I will not let us become an Alabama, a Florida, or an Arizona. We got to take proactive steps, and that's what we're trying to do.
Natalie Grice, WLKY News.